Here's a 2011 GMC Acadia. It's just what you need in a full-size crossover, a large and impressive interior with functional carrying capability. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: V6 engine, front heated leather bucket seats, external memory control, auto-dimming rearview mirror, dual-zone climate control, power tilt-down heated mirrors, Bose sound system, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, and automatic transmission. New Car Test Drive highlights a sophisticated 275 horsepower 3.6-liter V6 provides smooth and readily available acceleration, and a new 6-speed automatic transmission helps fuel economy. GMC, professional-grade vehicles suited to fit your needs. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.